Good morning guys and welcome back. So today we're going to be restoring the faded hardtop on the Jeep Jk Unlimited. Now I don't know if it's just a Jeep thing or other brands do it as well, but the hardtops on the JKs, the TJs, the YKs, the YJs and everything like that, they always fade. They go that yuck brown colour instead of that nice rich black colour. So there's so many different ways to restore them, like painting, but it takes a lot of time. Now the surface on the hardtop is really coarse, so trying to sand that down to get a nice finish, it's quite hard. Now you can wrap the line them and stuff like that, but it all takes time. Now a lot of people have tried those cheaper trim restorer products, but they just don't last long and you've got to keep reapplying it. So today you're going to be using the Bowdens Zone, the black box. Now in this box it pretty much comes with everything you need. Comes with Mr. Black, the trim restorer, the flash prep which removes old waxes, silicons, fillers and oils, fast drying and powerful. And so that's going to prep the surface for us, ready to use Mr. Black. The trim restorer also comes with a dark deeds cloth, and that's going to be used with the flash prep just to prep the surface ready for Mr. Black, and 2 applicator pads as well. Now it does come with a pair of gloves, but those are like those latex gloves that makes your hands all sweaty. So we've got our own gloves. Now the reason we're using gloves is as soon as you get Mr. Black on your hands or any surface whatsoever, whether it be a painted surface, you don't want it, your clothes or your hands, it's very hard for this comes off, which makes it perfect for restoring faded black parts. Now it's a pretty simple process guys. I'll be sending you guys up on the tripod. We'll be prepping the surface with flash prep and the dark deeds cloth, and then we can get it on and use Mr. Black. Now I've already gone ahead and masked off an area. I'll be doing this area here, that way we can see the before and the after result. Then I'll go ahead and finish off the surface. So this shouldn't take too long guys, and then we can see the results. We'll chuck our gloves on first. And don't forget guys, if you've got anything to add at any time, drop it in the comments below. Also, let me know what you guys done in the past to restore your hardtops. There's so many different ways, but today we'll be going to be using the black box by Bowdens Zone. So we're going to be starting off with the flash prep to remove all the old waxes, silicons and fillers from the surface. And then use your dark deeds cloth to gently wipe off. Just move that to the side and then we can wait for this to dry. It won't take long at all. We can get on and start using Mr. Black. Alright, so the surface is all dry and ready to use Mr. Black. Only took probably less than a minute for the surface to dry and fade back to its nice faded look. Or not nice faded look. So before there is 2 application pads for the Mr. Black product. And now one will be for applying the product to the surface. And the next one will be making sure it's a nice even layer across. So we'll give the bottle a good shake. Then we'll be applying 3 small drops into the applicator pad. Now with this product, less is more. The less product you use, the better results you have. Just because you think it's going to make it more black, it won't. Alright, so we'll just start in lines going back and forward, and then we can go along with our second pad and make a nice even finish. make sure you guys are using as much as you can from that first application that we did, and then once you've run out you can go back and add a few more drops. You can already see that it's working really well on that surface. Now, just be mindful, don't get this product wet for at least 12 hours. It will need 12 hours to cure and harden, and then it will last, they reckon it should last up to 3 years on, they reckon it will last up to 3 years. So 3 years out of one of these trim restoring products is pretty insane. Now we got our first even coat. If you want to do 2 coats, you don't think that's enough, just go on, maybe leave it 5-10 minutes, then you can go on and apply a second coat. But now we'll grab our second applicator pad and we'll just do nice coats back and forward without any product on it, just to get a nice even coat. And that way we won't have any build up of product, and we're not wasting any product either. Wow, that's made a massive difference. Make sure we get it all on the edges. I think I missed a little bit on the edge there. And down. So that's looking insane. So the next thing I want to do before we have a look at the before and after and take that top off, that tape off, sorry, I want to go through and make sure I get inside this like little rain gutter here. And Bowdens' own actually provides these little brushes. What are they called? They are called the application foam brush. I thought it might have had a bit more technical name than that. But these are awesome for getting into little hard to reach spots like on your mirrors, behind bumpers and stuff like that. But also perfect to get inside these little rain vents just here. So they actually give you 2 of these in the pack. So what we'll do is get the Bowdens' own Mr. Black, just pour a few little things on the tip on both sides so we get a nice even coverage for out, and we can just go along, push it down into that little section there and just run that across. And just be mindful when you are doing this, don't get your jumper or anything on it or your top, because this stuff stains, it makes stuff black, as you'll see in a minute. It looked a little bit, it didn't look as good from the angle I had you, but from the angle from back here, it made a massive difference. So that's pretty much it for that little rain gutter there. What I'll do is I'll just do a second coat on the section we just done, and then we can go along and peel the tape off, and we should be good to go. Alright, so I've just gone ahead and applied the second coat to the section we just done before, and oh my god, what a massive difference. I actually can't believe it. I didn't actually think that the hardtop was that faded before. I was like, oh, no, it looks fine, I'll just leave it. But damn, look at that. Like from that to that is insane. Highly recommend this product, guys. If you guys are interested in this product, Mr. Black by Bowdens' own, I'll leave a link just below. They ship worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you are in the world. If you guys are in Australia, you can buy it from Super Cheap Auto, Ripco, and all those other retailers. Wow, what a massive difference. Alright, let's peel this tape off. We can properly see what it's done. First. Oh, a little bit of overspray there. Wow. Oh, wow. What a massive difference. Literally can't believe that, guys. I didn't think the hardtop was that faded, but obviously it is. That is insane. Wow. Oh my god. So if you guys got a faded hardtop either on your JK or your TJ or your YJ or whatever it might be, I would highly recommend this product. So much easier than having to sand everything down and repaint it all. Wow, that is crazy. So now we've done that section, we can see what it looks like, and it looks insane. We'll go ahead and finish this panel off. We can go ahead and do the entire hardtop. Wow, that is insane. Wow, that is insane, guys. So now we're going to let that sit for 12 hours, let that cure, and we should be good to go. Now we'll do a follow-up review on this in a couple of weeks. Normally trim restore products like this from other brands normally only last a couple of months or a couple of weeks. As soon as the sun or any sort of dirt hits it, or you wash it a few times, they kind of just come off. So far on the Jeep with the bumpers and stuff like that, it's held up really well. So I'll do a follow-up review on the roof to show you guys exactly how it's been holding up. But wow, I'm so impressed with how that's turning out. So you guys remember from it before and now after. What a massive difference. But that's pretty much it for today, guys. Hope you liked this video. That actually worked a lot better than I actually expected. I didn't actually realise how faded the top was. Now I can get up there and finish off the rest of the hardtop on the Jeep. But wow, imagine when the whole hardtop looks like that. That's going to be insane. So that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, smash that like button. If you guys want to check out this product, there'll be a link in the description below. I mean, that's insane. If you guys got a faded hardtop, I'd highly recommend using this product. For $85, you can't go wrong. That probably took me half an hour, 45 minutes to do that panel. Might take, well, that's with filming and stuff as well, so it might take, I don't know, maybe an hour and a half to do the entire hardtop. Prep it, use Mr. Black, and let it dry. Don't forget you got to let that 12 hours to let it cure and dry, and they should be set for a long time. So impressed with this product, guys. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button if you like these videos and want to see more, and I'll see you guys in the next video.